Drill wood faster, more cleanly, and with less effort using Wurth's spade drill bits. The threaded tip guarantees optimal centering and at the same time fast drilling progress. The pre-cutting spurs give a clean drill hole and guarantee tear-free drilling. The convex spades allow the drilling chips to be catapulted out of the drill hole. Work is altogether faster and much more comfortable than with a standard drill bit. The spade bit's drill hole is much cleaner and smoother than that of a standard bit. The spade bits are available individually and in various lengths, or as a 6-piece set. Faster, easier, more precise, Wurth's spade drill bits are a reliable choice for working with softwood.